bad little thing, true religion ginger, super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah?
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. This is my very first video that I'm posting. It's been a long time coming. But this is gonna be a get ready with me video. So if you guys wanna see how I achieve this look, then please continue to watch. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so first what I do is I prime or prep my lips. And I'm using the Rosebud Salve by Smith's. And then you get to it. And comment below if you guys want to see any other, like what looks you guys look forward to me doing, or if you guys have any looks that somebody else have already done and you want to see me recreate. I'd love to see what you guys have in mind. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter. I actually like this. It's actually pretty moisturizing. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I am in the shade Light Medium Honey. So I'm going to be going in with the shade Burnt Orange. That's going to be my transition. Now I'm going in with a clean brush to just diffuse those edges a little bit. Right here. That little thing right there. Tap, tap. Hold it upwards. And just move it side to side, just so it gets that crease. Fulani, this bottom corner, right there. But I feel like we're losing our transition shade, so I'm gonna go back in with that Burnt Orange from the Soft Glam palette. I feel like if you swipe too much, you get a lot of fallout, so we're gonna avoid that. Ooh. Ooh. I was not expecting that. I feel like it was not popping like that yesterday. Okay. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. Ooh. Snatched. That orange though. Cyrus Umber. Right there. And then just pop it in right there. And go over the edges. So for our winged liner, I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Oh my god, I did not want it that long. The F. This liner actually came out way better than I thought. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. All right, guys. So I went ahead and I finished my lashes and this eye off camera. Oh, bitch was thirsty. The lashes that I use today are the number 5 lashes and Candice Lashes. And then I'm also a brand ambassador for Ziva Lashes, so my discount code will be linked below. In the description bar, so check them out as well. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the COVERGIRL TRUBLEND shade M10. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia foundation stick in Espresso. Gonna go ahead and go in with my bronzer and Park Ave Princess. That's my shade. Just take some of that and just lightly go over where I just contoured and just warm that up a little bit more. When you do shimmer and then you spray, it transfers sometimes. Like mine already started transferring. And that's why sometimes I do like a half cut crease so it sticks right there. My mom bought me this. Hella extra. But no, I'm loving the way that this came out. Really feeling these lashes though. Like, I damn near should have bought a few pairs of these when I go back actually. I definitely will. For my lip pencil, I'm going in with the shade Toast by NYX. Yeah, definitely need to sharpen this pencil. All right, and then now I'm gonna go in with my M.A.C Lipglass in shade On the Eve. Yes, hunty, yes. I don't know the number. But now what I'm gonna do is go in with my glow kit from Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with marshmallow. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know what they're doing upstairs, but goddamn. They be up at like 4 o'clock in the morning every day. Slamming shit. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys loved it, and let me know what other things you guys want to see as far as looks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Also follow me on Instagram at blendedbyrenee. See you guys next time.